Okay. Hello, teachers and friends. Today I will present to you two research about genre analysis by using MOVE. The first one is corpus-based MOVE analysis of TED Talks about education by Su Wei Li and Fei Peng Li. My name is Jirachaya Rodkaew, and the other students here are Teetuch Sungwornsilp and Kantaporn Boonyongyod. All right, let's talk about abstract. This recent paper explores the rhetorical structure of some selected talks from TED conference under the topic of education to discuss the essential and optional moves applied in these talks. Based on the result, the author tried to talk about the possibility of incorporating such instruction of oral presentation in academic genre in college English classroom. The study sets up a corpus of TED Talk with the tag of education to tease out the shared structure, features, and flexibility in them. The study identifies the essential and optional moves based on the frequency and occurrence. Meanwhile, the findings also indicate the importance of topics and conventions of TED conferences. And the methodology, the author used two criteria to measure the data, which is selection of the corpus. The corpus used in this research include 12 TED education talks selected, 168 creative education from the TED website. The collection of the text is based on the construct of achieving representativeness of the oral presentation under the topic of education. And the next criteria is coding protocol. After developing the TED Talk corpus in his study, the author began to identify the functional components in the talk according to the purpose of segments based on coding used by Xiao and Wang. And the results, we can see that topic development and speaker presentation are the two most frequently occurring move in the talk in terms of distribution in the three parts of the talk. The data indicates that the introduction parts often contain moves like topic introduction and speaker presentation, and topic development and speaker presentation are most frequently used in the body part, and concluding message and acknowledgement are mostly found in the conclusion part. And essential move TED Talk or Gatori move, topic introduction and speaker presentation move were identified in the introduction of 8 out of 12 talk, therefore should be considered as essential moves in the introduction part. As for all the 12 talks containing speaker presentation and topic development move in the body part, these two moves were classified as obligatory move in the body part, and the conclusion part included two essential moves, which is concluding messages and acknowledgement and gratitude. For discussion and implication, TED Talk shares some common features with other forms of public speech, especially in the conclusion part that contains relatively fixed move like concluding message and acknowledgement. TED Talk demonstrates more unique conventions, and the longer video allows presenters to devote more time to set the scene and establish their authority. And in the body part, the speaker have more chances to elaborate their stance with a clear explanation or description of a process. The move structure is strongly affected by the purpose, the convention of the conference, and personal style. And the move structure derived from analysis of expert presenter of TED Talk can set a good sample for the novice speakers and facilitate them in preparing a speech in similar conditions.
For the next research, it is called a discord analysis of speech structure from TED Talk corpus by Jitima and Konvipa. Next is the abstract. Next, please. This study aimed to investigate structure of speeches delivered in TED Talk to reveal how successful public speakers construct their speeches. Focusing on the body section, this study found three possible topic development move types, namely topic development in topical order, narrative order, and problem solution order. The knowledge on structure of TED speeches is contributing to public speaking spheres and provides both research and pedagogical implications. And next is the methodology. This study followed the analytical approach named a corpus-based discourse analysis of Weber et al., which has been employed to investigate rhetorical moves in many studies. This study also adapted Chang and Huang's framework of rhetorical moves analysis to review the whole structure of text speeches. The organizational orders discussed in the section was adapted to explore how the body of text speeches is organized. And for the data analysis, each speech was segmented into discourse units and then classified into move types. Then sequences of discourse units shifting among move types were analyzed. Finally, the generic patterns were described. Besides the qualitative analysis, quantitative analysis was conducted to review the occurrence of the rhetorical moves and steps. And next, for the results. This section reports the results of the present day in two sections, the rhetorical moves of text speeches and their structures as follows. First, rhetorical moves of text speeches. From the analysis, this study found 9 rhetorical moves with their respectives as represented in Table 2.
Okay, as you can see from the table, back please. It was found that move 4, topic development in topical order, and move 5, topic development in narrative order, and move 2, topic introduction, are the top 3 most frequently used moves respectively. Next slide, please. And here, further steps and description of each move will be shown on the screen. Next slide, please. The second one are the move structure of text speech. In order to analyze the structure of rhetorical move, the study have observed the position of occurrence based on 3 sections of public speech, which is introduction, body, and conclusion. The result of analysis are present in the table 3. It is found that, next slide, please. It is found that topic introduction, topic development in topical order, and acknowledgement of gratitude are the essential move for the introduction, body, and conclusion of text speech, respectively. Speaker presentation move primarily present in the introduction part, but it also employed elsewhere in the body and the conclusion part as well. Concluding messages use the body of the speech can indicate that the speaker can ask the audience to think or take action directly to the point they want it regarded to. And that leads us to the last part of our presentation, which is discussion. Next slide, please. This study found that the prominent presence of the topic introduction move can be inferred from the fact that this move served to provide the audience with the background of the talks, which could capture the attention of the audience and allow them to understand the point or the topic in the focus. In the body session of text speech, the topic development move can help develop ideas and provide information to support the central idea of the speaking. In the conclusion session, closure, concluding messages, and acknowledgement of gratitude were found. Particularly, it was also found that acknowledgement of gratitude moves are the obligatory move and is what regarded to as a transitional move to signal at the end of the speech. And that is all for our 2 presentations. Thank you for listening.